Kia ora, I'm Craig Treloar. I'm the EGM for Hawkins, and I've worked for Hawkins and Downer for a little over 20 years. To me, Own the Outcomes is all about us making promises when we tender a project, and then our team setting up and driving that accountability and ownership, doing whatever it takes to deliver a great result for our clients. And then, more importantly, I think, learning from the delivery of those projects and then driving better improvement into the next projects. Yeah, a good example I think is our team that's on the University of Auckland's Rec Centre project, which is right in the centre of the campus, 40,000 students. They've had to go through a huge amount of planning. It's a challenging project, and keeping that interface with the university functioning really well. And that all comes down to them owning the outcome from the outset. The team culture, they run lots of boot camps on site and various events to keep that culture really strong. I think what's driven them to succeed is just the mindset from the start, that they own the outcome, that they've driven that accountability and ownership. This is what's required of you, this is the planning that's needed to deliver a project of that size and scale, and that's meant that they've been able to face all the challenges and deliver really well. I'm really proud when our teams deliver a great outcome for our clients and the impact that it has on the wider community.